Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to generate storyboards using AI recipes in MockFlow Idea Board instantly, in under 2 minutes. So, what are AI recipes? AI recipes in MockFlow are pre-configured AI prompt box workflows that you can add to your idea board to generate structured outputs without writing prompts from scratch. Now, we're in the idea board editor. Click on the AI toolbox, then select Recipes. Here, you'll find ready-made workflows with built-in instructions, input guidance, and output formats. For this example, we'll choose a storyboard recipe. Drag and drop it onto the canvas, or click to add it. Then, describe your scene and click Generate. And just like that, Idea Board creates a storyboard instantly, and you can easily edit it as needed. Each recipe is designed to deliver consistent, high-quality results with minimal effort, making it easy to turn your ideas into visuals without spending time on prompt setup. And that's how you can instantly turn your ideas into different visualizations using AI recipes in MockFlow Idea Board.